Allah, 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 Ya Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim. When my heart feels tired and broken, when no one knows the pain inside, I whisper your name in the darkness, and somehow my soul comes alive. When every door feels closed before me, when tears are all I have to give, I call your name, my Lord, my Maker, and you remind my heart to live. Allah, 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 La ilaha illallah. Allah, 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 SubhanAllah, Alhamdulillah. Ya Allah, stay close to my heart. Ya Allah, don't let me fall apart. Through every fear, through every pain, I'll call your beautiful name again. The world can take away my comfort, the world can change from day to day, but when I say your name with longing, my restless heart begins to pray. Forgive the sins I hide in silence, forgive the tears I never show. Guide me back when I am wandering, you are the only one who knows. SubhanAllah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. Ya Allah, forgive me, Ya Allah, guide me. Allah, 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 you are the light when nights are long. Allah, 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 you are the strength inside my soul. When my final breath is leaving, when this world is left behind, let your name be on my tongue, Ya Allah, and your mercy on my mind. La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. Allah, Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim. Keep my heart remembering you until my final